What's up everyone, this is Chaotic Sonics. Cyberpunkwave doesn't need to have a guitar, and a hard-sounding lead can make up for it. But without a guitar, it does feel like it's missing something, in my opinion. As I said in my last video, counterpoint is my preferred style. You don't have to for the genre, but it does complete the vibe of cyberpunk by introducing duality of melodies in a literal sense. Counterpoint in cyberpunkwave is challenging because all leads must never loop or repeat and are done with improvisation. Pick any key to start with that works with your mode and practice with different riffs until you find something that works with the first lead. Next, I'll play the same chorus from the first video with a guitar lead added in. Comment, rate, share, subscribe, and stay safe.